Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used Peugeot vehicle. Say hello to our latest edition in stock, the 2021 Peugeot Partner Professional Standard Panel Van, finishing the timeless Bianca White paintwork with a 1.5 diesel engine. This does come with plenty of top features, including your daytime running headlights, alongside your 16-inch alloys and even your power folding door mirrors and parking sensors for added protection. The rear load area can be accessed via the 180-degree opening doors, offering plenty of space with a wooden finish. You do have plenty of load lashings to secure any items, and even a side sliding door for further access, and even your fitted shelving for added storage. Stepping into your front interior, you will find your central touch display screen, providing much needed entertainment and navigation all round. And of course, just opposite, you do have your dual front seats and front driver's seats finished in a cloth trim. You do also have your vital driving information displayed on your cockpit screen. And moving across into your central display, you do of course have your Bluetooth connection for quick access to vital driving apps and preferred audio, compatible with your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Or if you wish, you do have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you entertained on any trip, alongside your USB and iPod connection as well. You do also have your on-screen driving functions alongside your parking sensors, which will be activated when you do pop the car into reverse, alongside your main climate dials just below and a handy small storage pocket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 01244 883 072 or inquire online now.